Down here at Darlington Dragway, it's a good time. It's late again. My fault this time. The motorhome, I had a few issues. I had to do some maintenance on the motorhome, changed the fuel filter, and I could not find a fuel filter, but finally found one. Then I had some water issues. Nice, beautiful night. I don't know if that's coming through on the film or not, but wow, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunset. Look at that glossiness on the track. About to warm Randy's up now, so we're gonna go ahead and get it through tech. I've already made some shock adjustments. We raised the front end up, so we're about to go make a pass here in a second. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully everything works out good. We don't have any problems. Sporting one of my Jason Rigney shirts tonight. He's parked beside us. Got an awesome little hot rod, small block Ford. It's super fast. We got a great parking spot tonight, so we're gonna be able to watch some racing tonight and tomorrow. Hopefully Randy's car will allow us to actually watch some racing and not consume 100% of our time. Not confident though. We'll see. We're gonna have to work on that bad boy. That's okay. That's what we're here for. We're gonna race. We're gonna have fun. How much we push the up button in just a minute. Beats a great tuner. Pause that. Spray boy turn it on the data. Watch Devin on Holly Guru. This is his ride. Back here in the back. Tuning what Chris Keeney took around this weekend. Yeah, it's good to be a street car.
Got on out there, didn't he?
He's a good pass.
Everybody's flying.
WoooStock. so the valve train issues continue. So we made that pass. Something happened early in the run too. I don't really know exactly what happened. Unless this is when it done it. But pulled the valve covers off like normal. It hiccuped, and then he got back on it and run it out there. And it just didn't behave properly. Pulled the valve covers off like our normal in-between round maintenance. Found a rock arm that was really loose, pulled it off, and that is half of the lash cap. So this was in the upper valve train area. It was in the valve cover, and we were hunting the other half. So you see we pulled the intake off of it. We were hoping it was going to be down in here. There are some holes down in there, so they're going down into the oil pan now to see if it's down in the oil pan. It's got to, I mean, it's made its way down there, but we got to find it. I mean, it's a whole half of a piece. So, I mean, it's not like it's a small little piece. I mean, this is a lash cap. And this is on the opposite side of the motor we were on last night. So, I mean, this thing is just, I mean, like I said, this is hard on parts. So, I mean, this is hardened steel. And it killed it. So, we're hunting the lash cap. So, hopefully we can find the lash cap. It is a dry sump. I don't know if there's a screen or not in the bottom of the pickup. Generally, I mean, if something falls to the bottom, it gets down by the valve or by the rotating assembly, by the crankshaft and the rods. I mean, usually it's going to stay in the bottom of the pan. I mean, I've run stuff in the bottom of the pan, you know, before, but that was with the oil pump in a normal location with a screen on it. So I don't know. I mean, we're hunting it. We're trying to figure it out. Hopefully, I mean, it's Friday night, so we got to make that one pass. So we definitely are not going to drink. You know, we're probably going to drink. I'm going to drink. Randy ain't drinking. I'm drinking. I'm fixing to start drinking. Maybe that'll help find the lash cap. Although those guys are down there helping, so they're hunting it. So, Friday night testing is not going good. It's, I mean, that's what it is. I mean, it's just hard on parts. I mean, it is what it is. We got some good folks helping us, trying to get it, trying to figure. Did y'all find it? We're hunting it, trying to get it. It's late. We'll figure it out. Randy and Jason, I think, are second and third in points. It's a lot of work for these things. It's a lot of work, a lot of maintenance. You know, you can't do it by yourself. It takes a lot of people to help. So we'll see what happens. They got the drain plug out, all the oil, and then I pulled the dry sump line off the pan and screwed the fitting out. And it does have a nice screen on it. It's got a conical screen. And so I pulled all that out. There was no material on that screen, but then I stuck my magnet down into the bottom part of the sump, and there was some material. Now this is definitely hardened stuff. I mean, it's little chunks. I mean, I don't know if that's part of the lash cap or not, but the lash cap is definitely not up high. It may be down in the pan somewhere. So Randy's gonna make the decision if he's gonna run it tomorrow or not. Luckily, with it being a screen,
we're gonna run it tomorrow.
He said we're gonna run it tomorrow. So we're running it tomorrow. So I mean, luckily there's no chance of this stuff making it through, you know, into the dry sump system. I mean, the screen, the micron, I mean, it's pretty thick mesh, but there was nothing in the oil filter. He pulled the oil filter apart also, and there's nothing in that. So you know, I mean, it got hit, it got chunked up somehow. I mean, you know, the motor 8,500 RPM, it's got some rotating stuff in there. I mean, it may have some spots on the camshaft, or maybe some spots on the rods or the crank, but hopefully it's not damaged bad. I mean, in this, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is the lash cap or not. It may be. It may not be. It is hardened material though, and it is metal because it's stuck to my magnet. So, I mean, there was a couple pieces of aluminum that come out of the oil also when they were draining that. So, I mean, that was from the rock arm for sure that we damaged last night when we broke it, most likely. All right, so I guess we're about done for tonight. They're putting the diaper back up, putting the diaper on it so that we're good there. And tomorrow morning we'll put the intake back on it, and then we'll crank it up again, go through the rock arms again, make sure everything's good there, and then hopefully we'll get a shakedown tomorrow about 3 or 4 o'clock. We may go straight into first round. Looked like the car was going to work good. I don't know. I still don't understand. I don't know if it's a little colder out tonight, so I don't know if the issue was maybe it was cold and backfired, or I mean, I don't know. I really don't understand why it didn't take off from the get-go, but it didn't. But it looked like the suspension was working good, so I mean, we're making progress. We're making progress. That's all that matters. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. We'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Appreciate it.